Good morning, children. Already we are in lesson number 17, water. Text reading, sources of water. Where do we get water from? We get water from many sources such as lakes, ponds, springs, rivers, seas, oceans, rain, and wells. Water is also found under the ground. We dig a well to take out this underground water. Water reaches our home with the help of pipes and taps. See here, this is lake. This is spring. This is well. See, this is river, pond, rain. See children, here see this first question. Seas are full of water, but we cannot drink seawater. Why? Because seawater is salty. Yes? We should not waste water. We should turn off the water after using water. We should always drink clean water. We should always keep the sources of water clean. We should not throw waste into rivers, ponds, and lakes. Our values. Water is getting scarce, means shortage. We should save every drop. Okay. See here, go green. We should not throw away the leftover water in our bottles. We can use it to water plants. Okay, now children, our today's topic is sources of water. Already we have read. Okay, rain is the main source of water on the earth. It means we get most of the water from rain. Okay. The other two sources of water are, the first one is surface water, that is water above the ground, and the second one is underground water, and that is below or under the ground. Let's have a look on both these sources in detail. So first one is surface water. Rainwater that falls on the ground and get collected on the surface of ground. It means above the ground, and that water is called as surface water. Okay. Now this all surface water only. Lake, spring, river, pond, etc. Now rainwater that falls on the ground and gets collected in the water bodies like river and stream. And the stream is the small river. Stream is the small river. Okay. Next one is underground water. As from the name, some rainwater seeps into the ground, or water goes below the ground and gets collected over there, and that water is called as underground water. Yes, so we get this underground water from hand pumps, well, etc. Next one is drinking water. So, as we all know, at our homes, we get water from taps. Tap water can be cleaned by boiling and filtering. Okay, and we should always drink boiled or filtered water only. Drinking water should be stored in clean and closed containers. Drinking dirty water can cause many diseases. So, children, this was all about water. Let us wind up. Have a colorful day. Thank you. See children, next class onwards we will start FA2 revision. After that only I will give the worksheet of this class. Okay. Thank you.